आपका शुरू में कैसा था? Because when you started being a bodyguard, did you feel that you were being opposed by a male-dominated profession?
See, first of all, I never wanted to be a bodyguard. I never thought to do this job. I was working with five-star hotel for almost 8 years. I worked in sales and marketing. So, something happened, like some moment happened in my life that made me to be a bodyguard to protect my daughter. There was a small incident when I was going out with her, and then somebody tried to stop my car. And after that, just to protect my daughter and myself, I started learning martial art. So when I've learned martial art, I started teaching same to other girls. That gave me a power and a feeling कि yes यार, इंडिया में लड़कियों को सुरक्षा देना बहुत ज़रूरी है और सीखना भी आना चाहिए. And at the same time, there was a multinational company. They were looking for a not bodyguard, a protection officer or some kind of north head for India business. So मैं ऐसी इंटरव्यू देने के लिए चली गई because I always wanted to get into power game. I wanted to be a police officer. तो मैंने कहा चलो पुलिस ऑफिसर तो नहीं बने, यहाँ पे चले जाते हैं. So I don't know what happened. This gentleman, he liked my attitude and my action, the way I walked in. I used to walk like this. So he said ठीक है, कल से ज्वाइन कर लेना. So I've realized later on, and I did ask him, why did you choose me? He said, before you, I have interviewed 34 people. You were the 35%. I had already given a hope, like, कि यहाँ पे तो कोई ऐसा मिलेगा ही नहीं, daring. So you were the one. And then female never had any, discrimination in their country. So that's how I got into this business. So 2000 mein when I become protection officer, of course people, they started laughing. For them, seeing a female who's not even 5'3" and she's there to protect somebody who's like 6 feet. So they started asking questions. So first was my client, मेरा bodyguard कहाँ पे है? I said, I am your bodyguard. He said, oh, you are my bodyguard. But I think slowly and gradually they started liking my concept and strategy because I wanted to prove a point that women can be a good strategy planner, how to protect you from all the threats. Not looking like a but obvious bodyguard with a bulky body, but then a soft looking protector, yet scanning the threat and standing strong. बस फिर वो जो सो मेरा जितने भी स्ट्रगल्स थे वो सोसाइटी के थे. लोग क्या कहेंगे, रात को आ रही है, पति को छोड़ के जा रही है, छोटी बच्ची को छोड़ के जा रही है, किसी आदमी के साथ आ रही है, क्योंकि इफ यू आर प्रोटेक्टिंग ए मैन, सो आप उनको साथ ही लेके आओगे, यू विल ड्रॉप देम, यू समटाइम हैव टू स्टे इन अ सेम होटल फॉर एज अ प्रोटोकॉल. तो मेरे जितनी भी मुश्किलें थी ना वो सोसाइटी की थी, और सोसाइटी की वजह से माई फैमिली दे स्टार्टेड हैविंग दोज प्रेशर्स. सो जो विस्पर्स बाहर की होती हैं, दैट्स बिकम साइलेंस एट होम. दोज नॉइस स्टार्टेड ब्रिंगिंग फाइट एट होम कि मत करो. सो आई बीन जस्ट आस्क्ड टू लीव दिस और लीव द मैरिज. बस वो जो स्ट्रगल चला, लीव द मैरिज, लीव दिस जॉब, वाज अ longer period of 15 years. And after 15 years, I said, enough, I have to choose my dream. So I just taken a hard decision to be who I wanted to be and who I am now.